Okay, teachers, so you set up a perfect morning meeting, you have a great team building game, but you have students who are reluctant to join or don't want to participate. What do you do? In my experience, there's typically two types of students who don't want to participate. The shy, like anxiety, reluctant student, and then behavioral concerns. For my shy, sweet, reserved students, there are a few different things that I try to get them to participate. One, I always have a student who is like close to them, who's like the encourager. So they're like, so-and-so, come on, come join us, join the morning game. Because that feels good, right? To have somebody come and join you, pull you in. I try to keep them next to me or next to a safe partner, somebody who I know that they're willing to share with. And then lastly, I use my teacher gut. If I feel like they don't want to participate and I'm forcing them to do something uncomfortable, I always let them sit out. If a student sits out though, I do always try to follow up with a conversation afterwards to try to talk about what we could do differently in the future. You can always offer an alternate role, like do you want to watch? Do you want to just cheer people on? Do you want to stand next to one of your friends and help them, right? Getting them to participate, but not lowering the stakes so that they're not completely immersed. Now for my behavioral babies. There are two types of things. One, they're too cool to play, or two, they can't play appropriately. So if they're too cool to play, that is an ignored behavior. So I let them sit out and I ignore that behavior because I want them to play, obviously. Then narrate the morning meeting as like, we're having so much fun. So, oh my gosh, little Johnny, wow, you're having so much fun, aren't you, Johnny? Just to kind of like really show them that it's not embarrassing to participate. It's not too cool to play a game. And then second, if they can't play appropriately, that is always an immediate dismissal from morning meeting. My morning meeting, I have a non-negotiable that you will show respect and that you will participate appropriately. And obviously we define what appropriately looks like. If they have to sit out because they can't play appropriately, that always is a follow-up conversation about what can we do differently in the future. And sometimes it even looks like, okay, the next game you're not playing, but you are sitting next to me and I'm gonna model how to effectively play and you can maybe try that the next time. And I always go back to why. Why are we doing this, right? Why did I have you sit out? Why can't you play if you're not playing appropriately? Because it's not effective to our classroom community, right? We all pour into our classroom community, and if we're disrupting our classroom community, that's not fair, right? So we all need to work together to keep the harmony. And this is why I love morning meetings so much, because it really targets those really specific behaviors for students, especially kiddos who have a hard time socializing with their peers. It really teaches them like, okay, it's not cool to scream and to disrupt a game, right? It's cool to play and to have fun with my friends and to have classroom community that's like effective. And I hate sitting out, so I'm gonna play appropriately, hopefully the next time.